let's go ahead and start writing our program for our thermometer circuit. And when we first start a new sketch, you'll see that the setup and loop functions are already created for us. Now these comments here we don't need. You know that a setup will run once as soon as there's power applied to the Arduino board. When the setup is finished, then the loop will start running and it will run repeatedly. All right. In our interface project, we created variables. And so in this project, in this program, we're going to create constants. And just like variables, constants will allow you to give unique name to things that we write inside our program. And in this case, we're giving a unique name to the analog pin 0. And that will be our sensor pin. If you remember in our schematic diagram, we have our sensor pin plugged in at A0. Okay. All right. So this sensor pin, let me make this float. Okay. This sensor pin will require a baseline number for comparison, and so that's what our second constant will be. So this will be the function we'll use is baseline temp equal to 20,0 and semicolon. So later on in our code, what we'll use the baseline temperature for is a reference point in which we want something to happen to the LEDs. For example, we can say when the temperature sensor experiences a temperature 2 degrees above this baseline temperature that we set, turn the LEDs on.